Hello. So as you guys know, I am a vintage ceiling fan collector, and I thought I'd show you a ceiling fan installed in my bedroom. But this is just one of them. It's a Hampton Bay Windward ceiling fan, 52 inches in white and polished brass. It's got GE vents right there. And there's the blade bracket. It's got 4 blades with the pointed tip, and the other side is just plain white. They don't reverse. Then there's the reversing switch right there, Hampton Bay logo, fan pull chain, just panda on it, think it looks nice. There's the top, there's some tags, there's the canopy, the down rod, and the mounting bracket. So yeah, here it goes. I had to fix something about it. A little off. This is low speed. You can hear it humming there. It's got a little hum to it, but whatever. Let me give you an all-over look at it real quick. Let you see it from different angles. See that? All right. Here's medium. Medium is starting to pump out some air. The fan does have a slight wobble to it because some of the blades are warped, but this is a very good medium speed. I think this fan is probably from 1991 or 92. It's from March, but I can't remember if it was 91 or 92. But yeah, blowing some good air. Now for high. Oh yeah, this thing's a powerhouse. You guys would be mad impressed with how much air this thing blows. This thing's spinning way over 200 RPMs. Probably about 215 or so. The wobble is definitely more pronounced. Yeah. Let's look at it from the far angle. See all my stuff's blowing, papers are blowing, everything's blowing. Blowing good air. See those GE vents there. GE vent. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and let this thing spin down or coast. So, I got this ceiling fan at the Habitat for Humanity Restore. And if you don't know what that is, it's a place where you can donate your old appliances. And they make good use out of it by slapping a price tag on it and selling it to the public. Yeah, this is a major childhood fan. I used to see these a lot when I was little. My daycare had them, and the Fort Worth Stockyards had them, and a restaurant I used to get on my birthday had them. I used to see these Hampton Bay Windwards a lot. And these fans came in 4 finishes. So the one you're looking at now is white and brass. They came in white, like all white. Then they came in all polished brass, and then they came in antique brass. But yeah, I love those GE vents. That was a very common faceplate with those vents on it. Those vents were like really common back in the 80s and early 90s, especially with pointed blades and standard blade brackets. But yeah, this is a major childhood fan. and a fan that, well, I mean, this ceiling fan's come such a long way since it's been in my collection. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. There's the Hampton Bay Windward with GE vents and 4 blades. Sold at Home Depot.